people are on.
Yeah, I know. Oh.
Yeah, lights too, please.
Oh.
Like special grandparent.
I know.
This is what you wanted to do with your night, isn't it?
Hello.
Hi.
Hi. How you get this, Sergeant Vance? You got a key big enough to go in there?
Nope.
I'm into those.
You have bolt cutters?
I do.
Yeah, let's cut them off. I mean, they're not.
Screw it. They're
So can we, do
sentimental.
you have like something like we can put in there like
Like a... I wasn't really sure what size we were going for, so I got 2.
okay.
Okay.
What are we doing? Throwing that under there? I
Yes.
feel like that's probably a better size.
Like that?
Maybe something, yeah, so I don't try to
Get your light. Oh man. Oh, they just popped off.
Okay, there we go.
Hallelujah.
Thank
you just saved my
gentlemen.
life.
No problem.